Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Is barley safe to feed to babies? Barley is a type of cereal rich in protein, vitamins, folate, and phosphorus that is healthy for babies. It is nutritious and filling. However, it shouldn't be the first meal of the day as its gluten content can harm the immune system or trigger celiac disease. Avoid feeding it to babies with gluten intolerance. When can babies start consuming barley? Babies should only be fed barley after their 7 to 8 months. Wait for 3 days after feeding to test for allergies. You should refrain from introducing any other new food during this period. Start with a smaller quantity of smooth barley, and gradually experiment with amounts and textures. Benefits of feeding barley to babies. 1. Aids digestion. 2. Strengthens bones. 3. Facilitates iron absorption. 4. Safeguards the liver. 5. Contains antifungal properties. How to select and store barley. Hulled barley is more nutritious, while pearl barley is easier to cook. Both are safe to feed to babies. You can also use milled or ground barley. Use in soups, broths, or stews. Store pearled barley in a cool, dry place and consume by expiry date if packaged. Milled barley must be refrigerated in an airtight container. How to cook barley. Follow the instructions provided on prepackaged barley. 1 cup of barley can turn into 3, once cooked. Add water to 2 tablespoons of barley and mix until there are no lumps. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, then serve. You can add breast milk or formula to form a paste before feeding, or add pureed fruit to sweeten it naturally. Barley recipes to make for your infant. 1. Barley and sweet potato balls. Mix a cup of soft cooked pearl barley, 1 cup of boiled sweet potato, and ½ cup of applesauce or fruit puree. Roll into mini balls, and serve. 2. Barley water. Cook 1 cup of barley in a pressure cooker, then let it cool. Add jaggery if preferred and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture and feed when lukewarm. 3. Barley apple porridge. Pressure cook 1/4 cup whole barley in 3 cups of water and let it simmer. Add 1/4 cup peeled and cubed apples to ½ cup water. Cook for 10 minutes, then add to the barley and puree the mixture. Cool it and feed your baby. Things to remember before feeding your baby barley. 1. Babies cannot digest whole barley. 2. Store in an airtight container or refrigerate. 3. Check for freshness always. 4. Buy in small quantities. Barley is a healthy food alternative for growing babies and is highly nutritious and beneficial for a baby as long as it is stored and prepared with care.